Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn how to install SonarQube on Windows. So let's start. In this we will cover these topics are here. First one, what is SonarQube and its architecture. Second, prerequisite to install SonarQube on Windows. Third, download and install Oracle Java 17 version. Download and install SonarQube on Windows. Start SonarQube on Windows. Access SonarQube on Windows. Okay, so let's start this step by step these topics. So see here what is meant by SonarQube. SonarQube, it's a code quality assurance tool that collects and analyzes source code, okay, and provides its reports for the code quality of your projects. Okay, so see, this is the architecture of the SonarQube. In this architecture, there are divided into four parts: Sonar scanner, Sonar analyzer, source code, database. Okay, Sonar database. So in the source scanner, there are different projects we can using this project we can access the source code, and this is a analyze it and store in the database for the future reference, and it store the analysis reports. Okay, so see step by step. Sonar scanner, it's a previously known as Sonar Runner. Okay, it is ideally you need to use any of the built-in tools such as Add, Maven, or Gradle that invokes the Sonar scanner to fetch the source code. It takes the source code from the repository, or a configuration parameter is used to set a place from which you want the source code to taken. SonarQube supports like plugins like SVN and some of other versions. So next is Sonar source code. Source code, it's a code written by developer or manager. This code developer push the push to the repository, and from this repository we are pull the requests are visible in this SonarQube. Next one, Sonar analyzer. Sonar analyzer takes the source code and go to the all codes and gives a your technical problems, and Sonar receive the request and start the examining or the source code of the project, and the analysis is based on project Sonar file profile, activating any additional plugins or reporting capabilities if any, and you need to integrate these plugins in your SonarQube, and SonarQube will analyze this source code. You need to add these plugins to Sonar Analyzer based on language you want to analyze. I use here Java language here. If you don't want to use Java language, you can choose any language. Okay. So when analysis is finished, the result store in this database. Okay. It's used for the future reference. And see, next part is Sonar database. Sonar database, it will be sent the database once report is generated from the through the analysis. Okay, so that can be stored in the database and subsequently used for the reporting purpose. There is a caching server which is used to hold temporary reports in cache. Once Sonar Analyzer completes the analysis of the source code, then it's going to send to the report to the queue where server needs to process those results. After the results are processed, then reports or data store in the database. SonarQube have default database, and you can integrate your own database to your SonarQube. And SonarQube supports database like MS SQL, Oracle, like that. Okay, this is our architecture. Next one is prerequisites for the SonarQube. So here prerequisites are we have to install Java 17 version. Here Java 17 version, it's important because in latest version of the SonarQube, it supports only Java 17. It's none other than 17. Okay, so if you install Java 11 or other 15 like that, then you get the difficulties to installing SonarQube. Okay, so be aware of that. So next one is SonarQube server requires at least 2 GB RAM to run efficiently and 1 GB for the OS. Okay. Next, download the Oracle Java. So let me open this Internet Explorer, and this is the Java downloads official website. Click on that and loading this page. And see, this is Java 19 and 17 available here version, and we have to go the Java 17, and inside the Java 17 here different OS are present here like Linux, Mac OS, Windows. I want to install for the window, and from this window I install the MSI file, this 64 MSI installer. Click on this link, and after that click on the link, automatically download this file. I have already downloaded this file, so see here, and double click on this, and you get the welcome page of the JDK. Okay, so this is the welcome page. Click on the next, and if you have to change this path for the installation, then from here you can change, but I don't want to change this path because it's program file Java JDK 17. Okay, it's okay for me. Next, and this is the installing this Java 17 version. Okay, so after that it's completed installation, we will close this window. Okay, now it's completely installed. Now let me check this Java 17 version is installed or not properly. For that, let me open this command prompt, and using the Java space hyphen version command, we can check the Java version installed or not properly. So see, Java version 17, it's installed properly. Okay, so now let's see next topic, download and install or SonarQube on Windows. So go to this official website. Let me open this Internet Explorer and see, this is the first download SonarQube. This is the official website. Click on that. Loading this page. Okay, now see, this is the different editions here present here. So I want to use this community edition. In that community edition, I click on this download for free. Okay, and it's automatically downloaded. Let's wait for the download this file. Okay, it's downloaded. Open this folder and see. First, this is a zip file. We have to unzip it firstly. For that, right click on this and extract all. And if you want to change this part, I want to change this, browse and use this C drive and select folder. Okay, browse this, extract. Okay, now it's completely extracted. We are go to the bin folder. In that bin folder, there are for the different OS here, folders are present here. For the Linux, Mac OS, I want to use this window. Go inside that, and here are two ways of the installation of SonarQube. First one is right click on this and run as administration. Here window is, we get the pop-up here, or open this window, click on this more info and run anyway. Okay, so I don't want to this way. I want to go to the command prompt. Okay, so firstly we have to go inside this path. Okay, I want to go inside this path. That's why I copy and in the command prompt cd and paste here this path and go inside this. Okay, and now we have to use this start sonar batch file. This start sonar batch file. So copy and dot batch. Now it's starting the installation. Let's wait for this few minutes. Okay. Here we gives us process up message. It's take a few minutes, for 2 to 3 minutes taking for the installation. Here is process is up. Okay, means installation is going on. So let's wait. Okay, see here again, process is up, message give here, and now it's taking 2 minutes now. Now end of this, we will get process is up and SonarQube is operational. Okay, so means it's a completely install of the SonarQube on our window. So now how it's access this? So let me open this Internet Explorer. Okay, so now we will open new tab, new window or new tab on the Internet Explorer. Okay, and here local host 900 used for this 9,000, sorry, 9,000. It is used for the for SonarQube access. So see, enter the, now open this SonarQube. Okay, here. So refresh this page. Okay, here spelling mistake is here. That's why it's not open. So local. Okay, now it's open. Enter and let's check. This is a loading now, and we get the login page here. Okay, now it's a by default of login ID and login password is admin. Okay, so I write the admin, and again password is admin, and login, and we get the reset the password. Never, and give the old password admin as your requirement. You set the new password. Okay, and update it. Now, so like that we will install SonarQube on our window, and from that here we will see from the GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, Cloud, or manually you can create a project. Okay, so today's session we will learn how to install SonarQube on Windows. So thank you for the watching video.